Hello guys, so Hacktoberfest is finally here. And now you can finally participate in the challenge and earn a free t-shirt and laptop stickers. So let's start hacking. So, it's time to earn this awesome t-shirt by doing some simple tasks. So, let's get started. Okay, click on Start Hacking. Then it will redirect you to the dashboard of the Hacktoberfest, where you can see the status of your progress. It will show you how many pull requests you have completed. As you can see, I have completed one pull request already. And now I will show you how to complete the remaining pull requests and complete the challenge. So, let me tell you something. As you can see, I have already made a pull request. So, after you make a pull request, it will need 7 days to get approved. If, in this period, your pull request gets marked spam by the maintainer of the repository, then that pull request will not be counted, and you will have to make another pull request in order to make it count towards the challenge. Okay, then open the github.com and another tab and log in with your credentials. As I have already logged in, so I don't need to log in again. After that, come again to the Hacktoberfest page and click on Home section. Scroll to the bottom side, there you will find list of repositories eligible for the challenge. For the sake of simplicity, filter out the C++ repositories and click on any of them. I am clicking on repository named Algorithms. Click on it and you will be landed on the repository page. Now, go to the repository page on GitHub and fork it. You will see a button named Fork on the top right corner, just click on it. I have already forked this repo in my account, so I will not do it again. But it's a very easy step, just click on the fork and the repository will get forked into your GitHub workspace. So, basically this repository is all about C++ and programs about data structure and algorithms. We will push some programs related to data structures into this repository. Click on Add File, where I am hovering the mouse pointer. Then, select Create a new file. After that, name the file whatever you like. And add the contents in it. In this, I am adding a simple heap implementation program in C++. Then choose Create a new branch option and hit on Propose new file. Then, on the next page, click on Create Pull Request. After completing checks on pull request, click on Merge Pull Request. Then, confirm merge. You can delete the branch created during the pull request. Then you can check the Hacktoberfest dashboard if pull request was counted or not. As you can see, my pull request was successful and counted towards the challenge. Okay, now let's add another file in the repo for the third pull request. Click on Add File, then select Create New File, then name the file whatever you like. In this pull request we are adding a singly linked list program. Then, paste the contents in it. Scroll to the bottom and select Create New Branch, then hit on Propose New File. Hit on Create Pull Request. Then, Merge Pull Request. Then, check your Hacktoberfest dashboard. New pull request has been counted. Let's jump on the last pull request. Okay, now let's repeat the steps for the last pull request. Click on Add File. Paste the contents in it. Create new branch. Hit on Create Pull Request. Then, Merge Pull Request. Then, check your Hacktoberfest dashboard. Challenge should have been completed now. So, congratulations, challenge has been completed now. As you can see, my dashboard is showing that I have completed the 4 pull request and I am eligible for the prize. There is 7-day cooldown timer, so after 7 days, the status of the pull requests will be changed from pending to eligible. And then, you will have option to redeem the prize, either a t-shirt or plant a tree. There are 2 colors of the t-shirt, one is blue and other is white. You can choose any one. Also, you will get some laptop stickers as well. So, if you found this video helpful and interesting, please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.